Good morning, students. Bharat Group of Schools and Colleges, Standard 6, Subject Geography, Lesson number 8, Natural Resources. What is natural resources? Natural resources are things that man uses and which is not made by man is called natural resources. Air, water, soil, land, minerals, plants, and animals are all natural resources. Most of the natural resources are limited in nature, therefore, they are invaluable. Of these, air is such a resource that it is available in plenty. This resource never ends. However, its quality can change. We need air for various purposes, right from breathing to burning. The farmer plows the soil layer and makes the land cultivable. In this cultivable land, he grows various crops and fulfills his own and others' need for food. For this purpose, he uses the soil that is naturally available on land as a resource. Soil is used all over the world, and therefore, soil is a very important resource for agriculture. Soil formation mainly depends on the original rock, climate, organic components, slope of the land, and time. According to types of rocks and climate in different regions, different types of soils are formed. A period of about 1,000 years may be required for development of 2.5 centimeter thick layer of soil. A man catching fish and another drawing water from a well. Man is seen using the natural resource water for fulfilling his needs. Right from the time we get up in the morning, we keep on using water till we go to bed at night. This shows how important water is as a natural resource. The entire living world depends on this resource. Water is available in huge quantities on earth. Of this, a large quantity is salty. Only some quantity of total water is usable. A very merged quantity is about 3% of water available for use. However, even this much water is sufficient for all of us. Individuals collecting wood from the forest and collecting items in the forest like honey, resin, rubber, latex. In order to fulfill our needs, we collect various products from plants in nature. There are various plants on land surface. Plants are broadly classified as grass, herbs, shrubs, and trees. Man has successfully experimented with some grasses to obtain food grains. This helped him to avoid painful wandering for gathering food. He began to live a settled life. The basin of the Honghe, Sindhu, Nile, and Euphrates are some of the areas where such settlements flourished in the past. We obtain products like wood, rubber, resin, fruits, medicinal plants from forest. If we consider the region from the equator to the poles, as per the temperature zones, we find the following types of natural vegetations. For example, we have equatorial evergreen forest, deciduous forest, tropical grasslands, thorny shrubs, temperate grasslands, mixed forest, broadleaf forest, coniferous forest, and tundra region. Many animals make these forests their habitat. Animals who prey on the plant-eating animals also live in this forest. Thus, many food chains develop in the forest. Forest or grasslands are the habitats for many animals. It is basically due to plants that we have got animals as a natural resource. Plants also grow in water. It is very likely that in future we shall have to depend on aquatic plants for fulfilling the needs of the growing human population. Man makes use of animals for a variety of reasons. Horse, oxen, camel, asses, etc. are the animals employed for plowing, riding, transporting goods. Goats, cows, buffaloes are used as milk animals. Meat, eggs, bone powder, hide are other products we get from animals. Rock is being loaded into a truck from the mining area. Rock is a mixture of minerals. Minerals are inorganic substances that form in naturally occurring chemical process. Some chemicals are used in preparing different medicines. Minerals are generally classified as metallic and non-metallic minerals. Land is a natural resource. Living things that are born on land grow, live, and die on the land itself. Land is an invaluable resource. Depending on the characteristics like physiography, soil, climate, minerals, and availability of water in different regions of the world, land is used for various purposes. Man alone attempts to make changes in the conditions to suit his needs. Every living things make use of natural resources according to its need. Man started using many of these resources for himself alone with the help of his intellectual power. Later, the increase in population and the greed of human led to the exploitative use of resources. This began to upset the balance in nature. This means that it is necessary that man also must use the natural resources only according to his needs and in a judicious manner.